add some radio buttons for company types to our company model. We'll do this using enum, and along the way we'll do some troubleshooting steps. So first, let's check out a new branch. All right, and let's generate a migration to add the type to the company. And the type is going to be integer. Don't need that second rails. Great. Let's take a look at our migration. And let's go ahead and add null as false and set the default to 0. Let's run migration. Cool. Now let's add the enumeration to our company model. And this needs to be a symbol and public, set the 0, private 1, and yeah, non-private 2, and default to public, and also set validate to true. So now when we reload our page, so we try to create any new name type on model company. So what we need to do is not name that field type. So let's roll this back and TV reset. Get us back to original state. And let's go ahead and create that migration again, but let's name this company type. Cool. Let's take a look at that migration again and set false and default to 0 and in Rails DB migrate. And add the enumeration back to the model. Profit 1, non-profit 2, default to public, and validate true. Reload again. Class name public, find by active record. Okay, so the problem is that these are public and private are Ruby keywords. So let's rename this public company and private company and reload. All right, undefined enum for company type. Let's double check that we are using the right name there. There we go. Company type, great. So now let's add that company type to our expected parameters in our controller. Company type, And then let's add that field to our form, which looks like this. So company types. And show you what this looks like. Company types looks like a hash with the different values. So keys.each do company type. And form radio button form.label, and we need to specify the company type so that it works correctly here. And one more comma. Now if we refresh, all right, so we have our radio buttons here, and if we update, great. So we are persisting that to the database. Let's go ahead and add some spacing to this form here. Let's do MB5 for margin bottom 5. Okay, and then let's humanize that field. All right, public company, private company, nonprofit. Let's go ahead and say that, update company. Okay, and then let's display that field in here as well. So in our company, let's copy this one and type company.company type. And if we refresh, okay, type nonprofit. Need to humanize that again. Type nonprofit. And back to companies. And this is, I think for this, I'd like the type to be next to the name. So to refactor this, class flex, and then add some space between these two, MR5. All right, so let's go ahead and change this company. Make it a private company, and private company. So that's adding radio buttons to Ruby on Rails using an enum.